I might need a net. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Like I said in the last video, I know I haven't been posting as much lately. Get kind of burnt out, I guess. You just feel like you're doing the same thing over and over again, which I know sounds crazy because it's fishing. We all love fishing, but it's just one of them things. But today we're heading out to Springmaid Pier because Thursday, I believe they caught about 40 big red drum on the end. Friday, I think they caught 25, 30 or something like that. So I'm looking forward to getting out there and seeing if I can get on one. Those numbers are kind of declining, which is, you know, usually on par when I'm at work is when they're catching the fish. But oh, it's a helicopter. Sound like a gun going off. Bow, 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 bow. Anyways, yep, that's the main goal today, is going to be a bull red drum, as many as possible. If I only get one, hey, it is what it is. And then some flounder would be cool. I did hear some weak fish were running. You're only allowed to keep one of them. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. Try to get some bait and try to get us on some red drum before the end of the year. Is creeping up on us quick. It's getting cooler and cooler every day. All right, y'all enjoy. Alright, y'all, we're at Springmaid Pier today. I haven't been here in a while. They posted some pictures. If you follow them on Facebook, I'm sure you've seen them. My buddy Alex and his boys tore up the red drum yesterday, or the day before yesterday. They caught some yesterday too, but of course I was at work, so. But we're just trying to get some bait because I don't have no bait. I hate to go in there and buy shrimp. That ain't really gonna cut it. There's one place in Myrtle Beach, that's a little creek. I tried there, and tide was coming in so fast they were probably pushed all the way back in there, so I just came to the pier. Made a couple throws. I ain't got none yet, so hopefully we do soon. We got something, y'all. Yee, doggy. Yeah, it went straight under. Threw it right on top of him.
Yeah, I was slapping on.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, y'all. I didn't want to do it because they charged too much, but I went and got me a little cup of shrimp. I bet I can get me a little black drum or something this morning. Didn't really bring the right rod for that, but we'll see what happens. That's pretty much my flounder setup. Get it out there and let it roll around. I don't want to put it under the pier, it'll roll around too much. And while I'm doing this, maybe we'll get lucky in the mullet to get closer. Oh, something's hitting it already, I think. It's a little pompano on a 4/0 hook, dude. Well, first fish of the day, we ain't gonna skunk. Guys, there's so much bait right here. I've been waiting for this. They're everywhere. I'm just.
Oh, okay, you got them?
Yeah, they're. It's a giant school.
Yeah, it's cool.
Finally got them, boys. No, that's a red. It's a little hammerhead.
Oh, it is, isn't it? See ya. All right, hold him up there, and I'll shoot him right in the head.
Yeah. Shoot him. Got my rod out. A trout. Might be 12 inches. It's thick though. It's 12 1/4.
Yeah, it was good.
This one just got hit too. Might be a school of blues running through there. I think I might trade this one out.
Looks like it might be able to trade up one.
I was watching the other rod get hit, and then this one was.
I seen that one.
Hey. Anybody want a weak fish?
No, I'm good, bud. Thank you.
Weak fish, weak fish. Darn. He was pulling for that little fish.
He was, wasn't he?
Oh, he's all right one.
I don't measure him on it.
Yeah.
I did two of them.
been throwing cut mullet all day for these reds. I'm gonna try to mix it up, throw a live one up. See if that makes a difference. I think everybody's using cut bait, so. I don't think it was a spinner.
I felt like the bump out there.
It didn't spin, it just came out of the water. It was a tarpon. I might need a net. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh fuck, haze wrap. Okay. Oh shit. Let's freaking go.
Oh my god, this is a beautiful one. Don't roll that back. Don't roll it up. Hold on, we gotta fix it real quick. Get another, you don't have to roll it off. Here, let me see it real quick. That way I can unwrap it.
Yeah, I need a cut. There's
Until the sun went down, it got dark.
It's good to
I called one in the dark, I didn't know what it was. You know, I couldn't see it, never didn't know where it was. Oh, you can put it over there in the corner with me. Oh, you got the seat.
Damn, that is.
Too. Yeah, thank you, Mason.
Yeah.
Alex, can eat that? Yeah.
Scallops. Jump them in. Oh shit, look at the spikes on it. I've never seen one like that.
His ass think he is stingray or something.
Damn. Like cartilage.
Little dirty fuck. No, you should have seen I pulled him out the water. Wind caught him and he went flying up out the water for a second.
That's how windy it is. What's going on, y'all? I just walked off the pier. A long day of fishing. For me, for y'all, it's probably gonna be like a 8 or 9 minute video just because I only caught 2 trout and the 1 red. But I'm glad I stuck in there because it was nice to catch that red. I didn't even catch it on the rod I was trying to catch the reds with. I caught it on my flounder rod. That was pretty fun. That old Saragossa and that bull bait rod, it put in the work. You gotta get them reds up, especially if you hook them close to the pier. Get them up fast as you can, and keep their heads out of the water. If they get their head back in, they're diving back down. But that one ate live mullet on a little Carolina rig. Don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, But if I do anything, I'm sure you'll see it. But, appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you next time.